All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 54,155 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And one thing to note, these gauges are just not plugged in, so that's why they are not on. So the steering wheel is slightly off center, but the car is driving straight and the wheel does not shake or shimmy. So you just need to get this straightened out. Car shifts nice and smooth. It's very cold out, tires are still cold, so I don't want to get on it, but this thing is an absolute monster. It just sounds so good. Apply the brakes, they feel solid. Got that short throw shifter. We're at a slant, so it's going to look a lot lower. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, you do have some dents and little imperfections there. You have some rash, so you can see that. You have some corrosion, just typical flaws over the years. And looking at the center cap here, typical little chips. And then the calipers are painted white, but you are going to see kind of chips throughout. Looking at the tire, date code 2021. And looking at the fender, we got a chip right there. Typical swirls from everyday washing. A couple little imperfections. Then you're going to have chips down here. You have chips here. A couple little rock chips there. A few on that pillar. Kind of scanning the roof. That looks good. That looks nice. You have some light scuffs here and there. A few more rock chips. Got a larger chip right here. All of that looks good. Got a chip right here. Date code on that tire, 2024. Looking at the wheel. A couple light scuffs here and there. And of course, over the years, you're not going to have that really pretty polished look. It's going to be a little cloudy. Overall, though, the wheel looks good. You can see the bumper's kind of popping out there just a little bit. Here on the headlights, they are kind of cloudy and hazy. And there's a lot of rock impacts over the years, some flaws. You're going to see some chips on the hood edge. Just typical rock impacts. Now, these are vinyl. You're going to see there's chips here. Those are touched up. Upper side of the hood looks pretty good. Some larger chips there, some touch up here. You do have rash throughout that lower splitter. And then it looks like it has some sort of film right there that's just cracking. maybe some old PPF, but then you have gashes kind of throughout. You're gonna have chips kind of throughout. If you get close, you'll see those. On the graphics, you're gonna see they're kind of cracking. Here on that wheel, typical little scuffs. Got some chips there, and it looks like that mirror might have been painted at some point. A-pillar looks nice. A couple more chips, a little scuff there. Chips on the edge. This is flaking off. More chips here. Little scuffs, little scratches, just real light stuff. Looking at that wheel, you're gonna have some corrosion and flaws there. And you're gonna have lots of damage back here as far as gashes and flaws all here. That side looks a lot better. Some more chips. Upper section looks good. Okay, checking out the interior. Looking at that upper section, couple little markings, but otherwise clean. That looks good. The surround looks nice. Now looking at this, you have a lot of wear. The rest of that jam looks good. The bolster looks nice. This edge, you're going to see typical wear from getting in and out. Kind of have a gash right there. Little scuffs and scratches here and there. Looking at the steering wheel, you do have some Alcantara here, but that is all matted down. Got the gauges, all of that looks good. You do have some markings and wear right there. Looks like that's where they touched the most. So you're gonna see the flaws there. The rest of that looks good though. All right, looking at the panel here, you have little scratches. That looks good. All that leather is really nice. The rest of that panel is in great condition. Here on this trim, you got some cloudiness. The plastic looks good. Carpets look amazing. That bolster looks nice. Now you do have some scuffs and scratches in this area. You got the silver inserts. Those look really cool. A couple markings. That side looks good. Upper side of the dash here, that looks nice. All right, scanning through the trunk. Typical little flaws. Got your tank back here. Upper section looks good. And then looking back here, I know it's kind of dark, but all of that looks really good. All right, scanning through the engine bay. See, all this was custom painted. Looks really good. And this is actually painted as well. You got a vinyl here, but they painted these stripes, so that's pretty cool. All of that looks good. You see they painted the Whipple here to match. Looks really nice.